Welcome. My name is Tim Harrison and I'm the Managing Director of Ionic Rare Earths. I'm talking to you today regarding the Makuutu Rare Earths project and the growing scandium opportunity the company has identified and working through to produce long life, low cost and scalable scandium production. The scandium inclusion at Makuutu represents significant free profitable credit of considerable value to the project. Simply put, Makuutu is a massive deposit. The current mineral resource estimate is 26 kilometres end to end. The mineral resource estimate is the third largest global scandium resource reported. The company has identified potential that stretches 37 kilometres within our tenements, so we have no shortage of future scandium production capacity. It's that potential which makes Ionic Rare Earths one of a handful of diversified potential producers in a market that has immense upside with stable, low cost and diversified scandium supply unlocked. Makuutu's plans for an initial production of 20 to 25 tonnes per annum of scandium oxide doubles the current market, which is dominated by China. Makuutu's low capex profile and scalable near-surface attributes translate to potential to upscale production to match demand, which has the potential applications in global transportation sector and aerospace industries due to the lightweighting properties when alloyed with aluminium. Scandium is a metal of the future, with recent developments in 3D printing unlocking substantial opportunities for the industry to do things previously thought impossible. This has led to new players entering the scandium market based on expectation of substantial growth as the world looms for new age metals to unlock greater efficiencies. It should be pointed out the benefits of scandium are not new, as there have been numerous high-end applications used previously. However, supply has been heavily constrained. Ionic sees key demand potential in the transportation sector. That's automotive, aerospace, space, marine, and rail, where adoption of aluminium scandium alloys can greatly move the needle on weight reduction and enhance fuel consumption. A little scandium does go a very long way. A typical aluminium scandium alloy contains between 0.05 and 0.1%. Compared to aluminium alone, adding small scandium content provides several benefits. It produces a stronger product that's corrosion resistant, has enhanced service life with greater fatigue resistance, can be extruded to form components whilst maintaining properties, and can be weldable, producing high-strength fatigue-resistant welds. Numerous R&D collaborations and agreements are presently underway and key niche applications being developed. The collaboration in transportation resource companies provides an indication of the substantial latent appetite that could be unlocked through low-cost scandium supply. And that is where Ionic Rare Earths sees Makuutu playing a transformational role. Through stable, low-cost scandium supply, Ionic estimates scandium demand could increase 40-fold as a first-mover advantage of aluminium scandium alloys leads the way across automotive, aerospace, space, marine, and rail applications, and competitors move quickly to catch up. Simply put, the potential scandium growth has massive upside potential for Makuutu and for Ionic Rare Earths to form a key foothold in the developing scandium market. For those wanting a refresher on the Makuutu Rare Earth project, Makuutu is a low capex rare earth project that produces a highly desirable basket with 73% critical plus heavy rare earths, a content that's the potential to be an industry leader. Ionic is now working through a feasibility study and will submit a mining license application in around 12 months' time. Makuutu has global strategic appeal as one of less than a handful of true ionic adsorption clay projects with the size and scale to support capital development with existing infrastructure already there. Makuutu has the potential to get much larger and extend beyond a potential 27-year life of mine to become a multi-generational critical and heavy rare earths producer. For those not familiar with ionic adsorption clays, it's important to understand they have several advantages over the hard rock light rare earth projects. They are cheaper to develop, they produce a better balanced basket and a higher value, and they produce no radionuclides in the product. Additionally, they retain a higher payability and a highly desirable deposits because they are becoming increasingly hard to find. The scoping study the company announced earlier this year provided a snapshot of the economics of Makuutu, showing a compelling opportunity with significant upside once we move more of the resource from inferred to measured and indicated, which will happen over the next 6 months. The unique appeal of Makuutu has resonated with various global groups, eager to gain access to the product and to reach carbon neutrality. Once again, scandium represents a significant upside for Ionic rare earths. So the next 12 months is shaping to be a very eventful time for the company, and we are excited by the opportunity the company has to develop secure and traceable rare earth supply for an increasing global demand. I thank you for your time, and if you have any questions, please reach out to the company via our contact details.